There's a lamp out again. I'm just going to use this for front light. I'm Blake Alley from BA Electronics, and I tend to work alone, kind of like what's going on right now. This will make sense as to why this project works the way it is. So whenever I have to relamp a house truss, I usually like to have someone on the ground watching the clearance, making sure that it doesn't hit the ground. But unfortunately, from way up there, you can't really perceive that depth to tell how high it is. Only problem is, it's a Saturday night and I don't think anyone's going to be here. I'll need some kind of technological assistance. Well, that's actually what the ultrasonic sensor is for. These little things are actually accurate enough to read the height of an incoming truss and relay that back to me so that I don't have to have someone watch it. So I use this project to help me stop the move when I actually need to. Let's go and see how it's set up.
The first step is to plug it into power and then place the sensor underneath a fixture with a lot of surface area. The 14-degree downlights, which have a diameter around 7 inches, works well enough for the sensor to detect it. Next, I open PyCharm, load the file, and run it. The first thing is the calibration using the paper ruler or just by me guessing, since I've done it enough times to know approximately how far 25 centimeters is. The correction factor usually ends up being between 100 and 115 if done correctly. Then, I have to press return to begin the measuring, and also to start playing track 1. Commanding down on the motors should now begin the move, and the sensor will go yellow, then finally red when it's time to stop.
Truss moving.
Oh, and there's code to stop track 1 and play track 2 as well.
All right.